MLB Prize Picks for Monday, June 24th. I hope you all enjoyed your weekend. We are back with 6 picks to try and win 25x. Do me a favor, hit that like button, and let's go to work. Before we get into the plays, I have to give a shout out to DFS Army member Nobu, who posted these chalkboard slips. Goes 4 for 4 here for 30 times his money. And then you also had an MLB slip that was good for 3.55, Assad and Severino. Have plays for all of these besides Prize Picks, Underdog, Sleeper, Chalkboard. Join DFS Army, link down below, Sniper20 for 20% off, or get deposit matches on any of the prop sites. Links also below, but let's dive into the plays for today. We got a lot to get to. We got 6 plays to start our week. This is the DFS Army Proptimizer, one of the tools you get access to. In addition to the picks in the Discord, it'll let you compare prize pick line, sportsbook odds, and our projection model, as well as the last 5, 10, 15 tool to help you find plus EV plays. Play number 1, Cade Povich. We're going to go less than 4.5 strikeouts. Lined at minus 140 on FanDuel, minus 135 on DraftKings. Good odds value here. Projection model at 4.1, projecting him away under. Got 4 starts this season. He's been under 3 times. Got 6 once against Atlanta. So 3-1 on the form. Good odds, good projection. The tool makes it that easy. You don't got to go crazy in depth. Head on over to Prize Picks. We find Cade Povich. We go less than 4.5 strikeouts as play number 1. Go back to the Proptimizer. We'll scroll back down right below. We got Bailey Falter. Less than 4 strikeouts. This tool, by the way, is updated live through the day as the odds change, the orders change, as well as new plays coming in, other sports, other stats to focus on strikeouts here in the morning. Under 4, 3.5, the over 3.5 prop. It's minus 130 over at Caesars. Under 4.5 is minus 174 at Caesars at FanDuel. FanDuel loves at least the push here. I will say for this play, relying a little bit more on the recent form, on the odds value and the projection. Projection is 3.54. The recent form is right here. I'm actually shading it a little bit towards the under. So in his last 5 starts, he actually has gone, only hit once, 1 push, 3 losses, 1 3-1. If you extend it out over his last 8 starts, it is 4 wins, it's 3 losses, it's 1 push, and last time out he took on Cincinnati. I like these back-to-back matchups for unders. The Cincinnati hitters just saw Falter last week. They only struck out 3 times in that game. I think there'll be more, when you're used to seeing a pitcher, you tend to strike out less, in my opinion. So we got a back-to-back matchup, got a good projection, good odds value. Overall form the last 8 starts isn't terrible either. So putting it all together, Bailey Falter is a good number 2 play for me. Real quick, while I put this in, do me a favor. If you did not already, hit the like button. Drop me a comment with what your favorite play of the day is. Play number 3. This is the only over we're going with in this video. So if you don't like playing unders, probably not going to love this video, but this is the one over. Let's go ahead and talk about it first. It's Freddie Peralta, more than 6 strikeouts. Projection, 6.46. Over 5.5 is minus 150. The under 6.5 is like minus 140 here. So it's really just on the edge of being bumped. Been over 3 in his last 5 starts. 3 wins, 1 push, 1 loss. Good form, really good projection, almost a half strikeout over. The odds like it as well. Freddie Peralta is our lone under play or over play of the day here at more than 6 strikeouts. See how easy the tool makes it. We're halfway through, and we're going to roll right in to Carson Spires, less than 5 strikeouts. Projection model really likes this one at 4.14. Over 4.5 is minus 155. We get the value with the push on 5. The under 5.5 on FanDuel is minus 160. Over his last 5 starts, he's been under 3 times, over once, and 1 push. 3-1-1 in the last 5. Good form, good odds based on the odds value. Again, the projection really likes this one. So at 4.14, checks enough boxes for me to head on over to Prize Picks and go Carson Spires, less than 4 strikeouts. By the way, a lot of these plays also available on Underdog, Sleeper, Chalkboard, links down below to get deposit matches on those sites, including up to $500 over on Sleeper. Big deposit match over there. Play number 5, Spencer Schwellenbach, less than 4.5 strikeouts. Form is dead even here at 4 starts this season. 2 wins, 2 losses. Did have 7 Ks last time out. Projection model here right at 4.29. Odds value, minus 120 on the under, minus 128 on the under 4.5 at FanDuel and DraftKings. I think those first 4 plays I'm more comfortable in. I wanted to roll out a full 6 pick today. And just, as the board is full, you're going to get plays you're less and less confident in. Schwellenbach is where I think things start to dip off just a little bit for me. But we are going to just roll with a 6 pick official today. Just throwing that out there in case you're looking for 2s or your favorite 4 plays, whatever it may be. The first 4 are all kind of interchangeable. I do like Peralta quite a bit. Schwellenbach and our last player kind of would be my least favorite 2 pair of the 6 plays. But with the odds, form, and projection, we do have enough here to add Spencer Schwellenbach, less than 4.5 strikeouts, to our list. And now we need one more play to try and win 25x. We're going to go Brian Wu, less than 5 strikeouts. Projection model 4.72. Odds value, the under 5.5 is minus 165 on DraftKings, minus 170 on FanDuel. Really, the sports books are really they're selling us on a straight on 5. Like they're heavily invested in the 5. We're going to take a chance on the under. Also being that, we get the push on 5. As you see, the tool is updated live through the day, so I need to scroll back down. Make sure nothing crazy happened. We got extra odds value here. Nope, still right on Brian Wu. He's been under 3 of our last 5 games, that 4.72 projection, and the aforementioned odds. Checking enough boxes, we head on over to Prize Picks. We'll go find Brian Wu, less than 5 strikeouts for our 6th play. And we have everything teed up, ready to go. We'll do our recap. If you did not already, I asked a couple times, but please hit that like button. Appreciate those of you who do. Check out the promo codes and links to join DFS Army. I'll see you in the Discord. But for now, we got Cade Povich, less than 4.5 strikeouts. Bailey Falter, less than 4 strikeouts. Freddie Peralta, more than 6 strikeouts. Carson Spires, less than 5 strikeouts. Spencer Schwellenbach, less than 4.5 strikeouts. And Brian Wu, less than 5 strikeouts. We hit the submit button. We let Prize Picks spin and do its thing, and we are locked in and ready to go. 6 full plays for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. I'll see you guys in the DFS Army Discord, because here's that daily reminder that whether or not you are a DFS Army member, you probably should be. But either way, good luck in those contests, and I'll see you next time.